Today Simone is creating this all metallic colored carnival mask for us. So if you want to know how, please keep watching. We will show you in this video. Step 1 is to create a lovely metallic color on the eyes, which Simone has chosen a green for. And I won't tell you all the colors in this video. I will put a link to all of them in the description box down below so you can see what colors she used. But she goes through them so rapidly in this video that I decided to just put them in the description box. So once the light blue is on the eyebrows, we continue to purple to just make a nice centerpiece for our face paint and a few teardrops next to the eyes. A few extra teardrops with the blue color again and also with the green. And now I know it doesn't really show at this point, but once Simone adds the black to this face paint, it all becomes clear. So just outline every part of this face paint, every teardrop you put on there, every shape you put on there, just give it an outline, and by doing that, all of a sudden all those colors become very vibrant. So outline the centerpiece as well as the parts next to the eye. And of course we need a bit extra on this mask, so here is a curl and some nice teardrops, a feather on both sides of that centerpiece, and finally some white dots, a few rhinestones and a nice purple lipstick already completes our carnival mask face paint for today. So quick and easy. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned on all our videos.